heating up this electric kettle here to boil setting. It's currently drawing close to 600 watts. So let's see if this will actually boil, and if it does, how long it'll actually take to boil this electric kettle. Let's check it out. Alright, so after about, I would say about 9 or 10 minutes, it is finally boiling. Very good, it works. So this thing still is able to boil water. It's about half a liter. Okay. It is able to boil, has enough power to boil water at 600 watts, but it is draining the battery real quickly. Look at that. It started from about 80%, now it's down to almost 15% to boil just half a liter, 500 milliliter. It worked, but it's probably not the most efficient way to boil water. Yeah, this time I have the electric burner here, and according to the manual, the larger elements draws up to 1100 watts at high setting. I'm gonna start with the larger heating element. So let's see here. So it just came on, and it's already drawing 600 wattage here. That's the maximum. I'm gonna put this to a high setting. Let's see if it's able to accommodate that. Okay, it's still at maximum 600 watts, and it's showing that at this rate, the max will be able to support up to 48 minutes. Now the fan has started to kick in because the battery is starting to heat up with this high wattage draw. Now I have here a small pot filled with maybe about a cup of water. After about 10 minutes into boiling, which is definitely taking a lot longer than using wall outlet, it is starting to boil. You can see the steam coming out, the lid shaking. After another 2 minutes, now it's fully boiling. Yep. So in total I would say it took about, I'd say a good 13 minutes to come to a full boil of a cup of water. So the more water you add, the longer it'll take to really boil. But this was just for the test purpose, but I wouldn't recommend using electric stove like this. It is not the most efficient way to cook, use your electricity. Alright, it works, but in the not most efficient way. So that concludes our test today for this electric stove rated at 1100 watts. Connected to the AC. My wall outlet. Showing input of 268 watts, which is phenomenal. This is quick charge, super fast charge. It shows it's got 35 minutes left until 100%. Very good.